Hello, everyone. My name is Duncan Ray, and I'm the graduate assistant for the Southern New Hampshire University Honors Program. I hope that everyone's been able to enjoy this beautiful weather that we've been having. I just wanted to take a couple minutes today and make you a video to show you how to get to Brightspace, how to submit assignments, and how to take a quiz on Brightspace. So let's get started. To get to Brightspace, we first need to go to mysnhu.edu. So I already pre-typed that in here. You would search it. It's probably the first or second one there. I'll show you what that page ends up bringing you to. It should look something like this. On this page, you'll type in your email address for SNU, your password, which will end up bringing you to a page that looks like this. Once you're here, you want to go over to the right side and click Brightspace, highlighted here. That will bring you to a page looking similar to this. I would recommend that you bookmark both of these pages as they're super important to your SNHU career, and it's so much easier to just bookmark them rather than having to type it in every time. But that's just my opinion. You can do with that what you will. Once on Brightspace, you'll actually want to click, you can either scroll down and find Honors Program Incoming Class of 2020, or you can click on this 3x3 square emblem, if you will, and you should be able to find Honors Program Incoming Class of 2020. That should bring you to a page that looks something like this. Typically, you would see announcements here, and upcoming events are just assignments that are due, that have a due date. Currently, we don't have any out there that have due dates listed, but those should pop up. So what we want to do from here to, now that we've gotten to the Brightspace page, is go over how to submit assignments. So how to submit assignments, you'll go under Course Menu, under Assignments. Once you click that, you should get a result something like this. So under here, you'll click the example assignment, which will bring you to a page looking something like this. From there, it's pretty easy. You just add a file and you select the file from your desktop. I'm sure you all know how to do that. And then you'll hit submit. Once you hit submit, you'll actually get an email confirmation saying that you successfully submitted it. If you don't get that, you might want to double check on how you submitted it. But that's basically how to submit an assignment. So next we'll look at how to complete a quiz on Brightspace. So similar to before, you can go to Course Menu under Quizzes, and that will bring you to a page looking something like this. Under here, you click on Example Quiz. Example Quiz will give you something, thing looking something like this. Click Start Quiz. Under Start Quiz, it'll be just a one question thing typically. The one question thing will be a fill in the blank asking you to fill in what was said at a particular event. So for this example, and you'll want to remember this, it's water. Really easy. So it doesn't matter whether it's capitalized or lowercase. I hope you all know how to spell water, but if words get more complicated, there's a spell check feature right there. And then when you submit the quiz, it will look something like that as well. And you'll see down here, passed. So that just proves to us that you were paying attention, at least enough to get the keyword out of it so that we can mark that you were attending the event. With that, I think that pretty much completes the video. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out at honors@snhu.edu, or one of your honors fellows would be happy to help you. We're all here for you. Thank you, and have a great day.